PrestaShop Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant resources are included in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a comprehensive yet concise review of PrestaShop for dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get started. PrestaShop is an open-source e-commerce platform that offers a lot of flexibility and customization for building online stores, making it a solid choice for dropshipping. With a wide range of modules and integrations, PrestaShop connects seamlessly with dropshipping suppliers like AliExpress, Spocket, and Printful. You can easily import products, manage inventory, and automate order fulfillment, all from within the PrestaShop ecosystem. One of the main strengths of PrestaShop is its extensive customization options. Since it's open source, you have complete control over your store's design, features, and functionality. You can choose from a variety of themes, install additional modules, and even modify the code to create a truly unique store. For businesses that need specific functionality or integrations, PrestaShop allows for significant flexibility to tailor the platform to your exact needs. Another key advantage is its scalability. PrestaShop can grow with your business, from small startups to large enterprises. It supports multi-store management, different currencies, and multiple languages, making it ideal for global dropshipping businesses. Additionally, it includes tools for inventory management, tax handling, payment gateways, and shipping integrations, which are essential for running a successful dropshipping store. However, PrestaShop does have some drawbacks. It has a steeper learning curve compared to more beginner-friendly platforms like Shopify. Setting up and managing a PrestaShop store often requires technical expertise or a developer. While the platform itself is free, you'll need to invest in hosting, themes, and modules, which can add up. Who is PrestaShop dropshipping for? It's best suited for entrepreneurs who have technical experience or are willing to hire developers. It's perfect for medium to large-scale businesses that need full customization and scalability. For beginners or those on a tight budget, PrestaShop may not be the easiest option. That's the full review of PrestaShop for dropshipping. Concise, clear, and actionable. If you're interested in giving it a try, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce platform reviews.